Today guys, I show you how to use CCleaner and how to clean your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, just open your browser and type download CCleaner and open this first site and go here free download. Download software, install on your PC, and now we go on clean. After you install CCleaner like me, you will see this window. In first section here checkup, just go here scan PC, click on it and wait for this. After that you will see items can be cleaned. Make sure you check cookies, browse history and temporary internet files. You will see down how much memory you will realize and just go here click clean. You will see memory already cleaned, just go here next. Make sure you check recycle bin, temporary system files and application cache. In my case I can clean about 4 gigs. Just go here clean and wait for this. After that go here next. When you do this all, just go here skip for now and go here done. Go here down on performance optimizer. You can use this when you play game. Just set some apps in sleep. Move here down, you will see here tools, click on it and move here to registry and go here scan for issues. After completing this you will see all issues on your PC. Click here review and go here no and go fix all issues. Click this. You will see this message. And that's it all guys for this video, how to use CCleaner and how to clean your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.